Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa Lite and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe left on the screen to open the menu. And in the menu, you should see the alarms icon. Once you see it, tap on it to open the alarms menu. And right here, you will see the list of alarms you have already set up, and also you will see the new alarm button. If you want to set the alarm, tap on new alarm, tap on the time then, and set the time on which the alarm should go off. To do it, swipe up and down on the hours and minutes. And once you're done, swipe right on the screen or press the side button and to go back. As you can see, the time changed. We can also turn off or on the alarm by tapping on and off buttons. My bad. And also we can turn on the smart wake option. As you can see, the watch is a bit slow, it lags a little bit. And also we can select on which days the watch, or rather not the watch, but the alarm should be active. And we can select every day. We can select specific days, for example, Wednesday and Tuesday. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back and the alarm should be set up. As you can see, here it is. And this alarm will go off on Tuesdays and Wednesday on the 5:11 p.m. You can also tap on the alarm to edit it. And here we can change the time and all the stuff. Or we can remove the alarm by tapping on remove and tapping on remove. And you can also have multiple alarms if you want to. And once you're done setting up the alarm, press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.